Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. But if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself Repair channel. In my channel here, you'll see I have tons of videos that I'm sure that I have something in here that'll interest you. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge and doesn't take a lot of tools. And one thing for sure, you're going to save tons of money. So before you go to a mechanic or the dealership, click on the upper right hand corner there and explore my channel. I'm sure I have something in there that's going to save you some money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. And by the way, hit that bell and leave a comment. And believe it or not, if you leave a comment, I respond back to you. Yeah, I know, I don't have a life, so I have nothing else better to do. Okay, here's another short video on where your fuel injection rail number 1 fuse is and your fuel injection rail number 2 fuse is. There's 2 of them, one for each side. So this is going to be a quick, real easy video. Plus, this is really easy to locate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open. And if you stand just where the driver's side tire's at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box, you'll feel a little lip, and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Okay, if you look towards the middle top there, you'll see 2 large gray boxes, right where the 2 blue arrows are at. Now in the middle of those 2 gray boxes, you're going to see a red arrow pointing to a fuse. It's a 15 amp fuse. That fuse is for your fuel injection rail number 1 is. Now if you look to the right of that, where the white arrow's at, that's your fuel injection rail number 2 is at. That is also a 15 amp fuse. See how easy that was to find? Now just like your relays, you can just pull it out, and if it's bad, go ahead and replace it. It's a 15 amp fuse. See how simple that was? Well, I hope this helped. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.